It's Paul, hope you're well. So I'm going to show you how I do long form video now for YouTube. YouTube is a fantastic search engine. So a lot, people search on Google, but AI has kind of taken that over a lot. But YouTube, people still go to YouTube and search for things. So it's a great place if you want to do your marketing. So what we're going to do today, we're going to promote digital franchise system. Okay. So this is something me and Eric are doing, and this is our. You can join for as little as like 150, but it goes up to like $2,000 commissions, and that's done us very well. I might log in and show you. We'll see. Actually, let's just show you. No. Let's focus, Paul. Right. So what I want to do, I want to make a video for that. Now we have pilot.ai. Let me just show you. So postingpilot.ai takes care of short form now. Give me generate a week's worth of posts. Okay, as you see there, image and text. Then we have the content studio. We can create videos. And what happened over the weekend is this now will connect with your social media accounts. So I can say, build me a week's worth of posts. It builds me a week's worth of posts and they automatically schedule. You just approve them, right? It takes seconds. We want you to approve them because we don't want anybody coming back going, well, that post was rubbish. Well, if you approve it, you can just edit it before, right? But the great thing about having the connection with the social media networks now is, guess what? It learns because the APIs, a lot of people use them. You can get like just a basic version that will let you push content out to the platforms. We have, so it will also read back from the platforms and give us the data. And then Matthew, a developer, a prompt engineer, whatever you want to call them these days, he's an AI whiz kid, and he's built what's called the brand brain. So the brand brain learns about your business. Okay, and what it does, it will even look at competitors, right? So it learns about your business, learns about you, so it create posts that's relevant to you, so everything will be unique. Learn from your competitors to see what they're doing well that it can copy, maybe some gaps that we could fill the marketing gap with our company. And it's fantastic, right? It's been it's taken a bit to get it to this point, backwards and forwards, and learning and fixing bits, and doing better. But the API stuff's a game changer now, and it's really ready to go and promote. And another opportunity with this, you can actually go and promote this to small businesses. So the weekly plan tick, but it's all shorts, right? Because the AI involved, it costs. Anything costs with AI, we're learning. Okay, text is virtually cheap, to be fair. So anyway, you can generate your weekly content, have it go out automatically. You can come here and you've got UGC style videos, you've got viral templates. You can just go and copy and just drop yourself in. Okay, so you can just replace yourself. That's Robert Hollis, if you know Robert. So you can just go and replace yourself in those, and they do get really good views. So the only thing that's lacking at this at the minute is the long form video, right? It can't make long form video because no AI really makes longer form video to say what you want to say, right? And it's good if you want to do it and take advantage of that big search engine, right? Then I suggest you come and check this out. So I'm part of the Home Business Academy. This is a premium product. If you want to know more about it, you can ask me, but I just want to demo how we do this. So they've got some AI tools here in their premium. So something that makes it so easy to write emails based on this guy here. I think it was like 20 years worth of successful emails that it's learnt from. Smart post, so you can take a short form video and you can post it across various platforms if you like record one with your camera. Image generator, prompt write for marketing. Okay, to be fair, you can do that with ChatGPT. Just to be honest with you, I'm always honest. These are good. This one though is what has they built a turnkey system. If you want to see it, let me know. I'll send you it. And that really changed the company. The company grew, and now they added the traffic maestro, and they're having another bump because it makes generating your traffic a lot easier. Now I'm not worried about short form so much, but if I was recording it myself, I could. Okay, Facebook post, I have Posting Pilot, and Posting Pilot, by the way, has an affiliate program. It's basically 3 and 3, so it doesn't cost a lot. And this is a single tier, but it pays 80%. So with this HBA, if you have 2 referrals, you're in profit, right? Let alone covering your cost, right? So I want to promote digital franchise system. What will your video be about? And it will give you some ideas. Okay, I'm going to add new. Okay, add a topic you want to cover. Okay, I want to talk about my site, the digital franchise system. I'll talk about my site, digital franchise system. So we're going to use that. What are the main things you want to teach in this video? Okay, so what do I want to teach? Right, so this is followthisplan.com. Okay, digital franchise system is the product. If we have an easy to remember domain, followthisplan.com. That's why we use it. Okay, so what bit do I want to do? I want to talk about how if you join us, you're 7 times more likely to succeed because we give you social media content. Okay, and how what our team has done in sales. Do I want to talk about that? Do I want to talk about the bonus? Maybe I want to talk about the bonuses that we've got at the minute. Okay, do I want to actually talk about what the digital franchise system is, which is Exitus Elite, right? So if I come in here, what I could do, I can come down to my links. Okay, you see this is like your command center with everything on it. So I'm going to go to my website. I'm going to see if I can steal a bit of this. What do I want to steal? Let's talk about this. The fact that it's all kind of done for you. Right, so now it's telling me we need to get attention, right? So it's scanning YouTube and it's pulling the top 10 videos and looking for angle gaps, 15 to 25 seconds. We'll reshape your angles with what we find. So now I've told it what I want to look for. It's going to look on YouTube. Now, there won't be anything on about the digital franchise system, but there will be about Exitus because it's the same thing. Whether it picks that up, I don't know. Okay, spotting the angles your competitors recently missed, figuring out what searchers actually want. Now it's looking at headlines, picking the one angle most likely to win. Okay. Reading my channel, so it gives me advice on how my channel is already reading. Okay. Right, and look what it's come up with a great title, right? Okay, so the digital franchise system isn't a course, it's a pre-built back office running your sales, leads, and payments from one dashboard. That's the part nobody shows you. Brilliant. Okay, so we are going to use that. It's already ticked, right? So now I need a hook, right? A hook. These things decide if anyone clicks and watches your video, your title, your opening line, and your thumbnail. Let's lock them in. So it's working on the hook now. Okay, so it's writing the hook for me. Brilliant. Here's what nobody shows you. And so this would be like your opening line, really. Okay, here's what nobody shows you. Most affiliate beginners are out there stitching together 6 different tools, paying for each one, and still can't see their lead, sales, and payments in one place. There's a back office built into the system that runs all of it from a single dashboard, and that changes everything, right? So now we're going to pick the thumbnail. What face does it want to use for the thumbnail? I'm going to use that one of me at the desk. You can obviously add another one or not have a face in it at all. Okay, so I'm going to use that. Next, we'll selected 6 tools or one. Okay, so we're going to use that thumbnail. There's my picture. See more concepts, not a course, built-in back office, one dashboard runs it. Okay, I'm going to use that. It's more interesting. 6 tools or one. It's curiosity. So it picked the best one as far as I was concerned. Now it's writing an outline of a script for me. So short videos now, AI makes that, comparatively easy. And if you've got posting pilot, you've even got that ability to learn, like I say. So it will get better and better and better and do better posts for you the more you use it. But the longer form video, this is where people struggle, and YouTube can be an absolute goldmine. I get leads and sales off YouTube. I'll be honest, not every week, but it's really good. And sometimes when people see your social media from watching you on video, that helps your social media as well. So I want to talk about my site digital franchise system because nobody shows you right. So I'm happy with that, and I want to make it into a full script, right? So now I get a full script. Okay, I've got to see. I can upload a video, by the way, if it's already there, but I'm going to record it. So if I made one earlier, now I'm going to have a problem here because I can't enable the camera and mic because I'm already recording, right? So what I wanted to show you is it has this great thing when you're recording, right, where it will give you the script at the top so you can just read it. Okay. Let me see. Let me just see if this will work. I doubt this will work, but I want to show you. I'm going to show you something. So have I got a short enough video just to use? This is a real short video, okay, for something we're doing. All right, it's transcribing. Now, what it will do with the editor, so obviously, if I'm recording, I'm looking at the camera now. Let's move the camera there. So I'm looking at the camera now, and then I'd be looking at the screen normally to read the text. And then I'm looking at the camera. Then I'm looking at the screen to read the text. I'm looking at the camera. If you pause, right, as you do that, guess what? It will just edit the freaking video for you, right? Here, look, remove silence gaps, delete filler words, etc. It will just freaking automatically go through that video and edit it for you. So if you're reading the script and going, yeah, fellas, you know, the side that you're on, your top of that right side, except for underneath the other position, read the next bit. There's a pause. This will automatically remove those pauses to make like just a flowing video. It's incredible. And I can't really show that because I can't record a video live in front of you because I'm recording on Zoom. I'll have to get my phone out and do another video doing that. Okay, so we'll remove silence and gaps. So it's doing the auto cut, and then you click up here, publish when you're ready, and it'll publish straight, right? It will go straight. I should have downloaded the raw, but it's going to publish it right to YouTube. Okay, and then publish to YouTube connection. Will save your save recording. That might be too short. I actually might do it as a short. Okay, you just select your options, upload to YouTube, away you go. I mark that as published. I haven't done it, but can you see how easy this is now? Whatever it is you promote, we're promoting, you know, if you like $1,000, $2,000 commissions, hit me up, right? But really, I wanted to show you the tools that I use to promote and do these things. So I'm going to go and make my video now, but I just thought I'd share that with you if you're interested. Catch you later. I'll see you on the next video, and about anything that you've seen here today.